Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my food cart. Today we will make Kashmiri chicken pulaou. First we will marinate chicken. Then we will start making yummy Kashmiri chicken pulaou. To marinate chicken, we need chicken 1.5 pound, ginger grated 1 teaspoon, salt 2.5 teaspoon, nutmeg powder half teaspoon, red chili powder 1/4 teaspoon, turmeric half teaspoon, coriander powder 2 tablespoon, extra virgin olive oil 1 tablespoon, cayenne pepper I am using half teaspoon. So let's mix everything in the chicken and marinate it in fridge for an hour. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I soak 3 cups of basmati rice for an hour. What else we need to make rice? Water 3.5 cups, onion 1 medium size, oil half cup, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, some whole spices, 2 cinnamon sticks, 5 cloves, 1 anise star and black pepper 10. Cumin seeds I am using 1 teaspoon, green cardamom 3 and raisins 2 tablespoons. Wash them, then make them dry. So let's start making pulao with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In a pan add oil, then onion and fry them on high flame for 5 minutes. Then keep the flame low and add whole spices in it. Cook them for 4 seconds, then add marinated chicken. Cook it with fried onion and whole spices on medium-low flame for 3 minutes. It is giving very yummy smell, mashallah. Now add water in it. Stir it, then add cumin powder. Also add green cardamoms and cumin seeds in it. Mix them and let it boil on high flame. After 4 minutes, it starts boiling. Now keep the flame medium-low and let it cook for more 30 minutes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. After 30 minutes, let me check if chicken become tender. Yes, it is ready. Alhamdulillah. Now we will add rice in it. Stir it and let it cook on high flame with open lid. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It is cooking for 7 minutes on high flame. Now we will add raisin in it. I will save some raisins for garnishing. Stir it gently and cover it with kitchen towel wrap lid. Cook it for more 14 minutes on very low flame. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. After 14 minutes, so aromatic and delicious Kashmiri chicken pulao is ready. Alhamdulillah. Mashallah, it looks so yummy. Turn off the flame and dish out it with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, a very unique and tasty recipe of Kashmiri chicken pulao is ready for you to enjoy. Give me a comment. I would love to hear from you. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Myfoodcart, and follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.